What I like about the Science New Wave Manifesto is the emphasis on experimentation and creative process. I really like this spirit of exploration and willingness to take risks and engage the unknown. I agree that culture is science, science is culture. And I really love the statement, experiments become cinema. This mysterious thing we call cinema is transformative and revelatory. It's a vision machine and a thinking and sensing instrument. I create works where perception is embodied, vivid, and temporal. A space entered like architecture or a terrain. A space for dreaming. As the manifesto puts it, we are all messengers.